Hi friends, it's Miss Godfrey here. I'm going to read another book with you. This is a book that we should all be able to read together. So let's pretend that we're in the classroom. We're going to use our reading strategies to try to figure out these words in the book. We know our reading strategies. And then later today at 3 o'clock, we're going to meet again for another Zoom meeting, and I have something special to show you that Mr. Godfrey and Mrs. Godfrey have been planting. It's pretty cool. So I want you to be there today, 3 o'clock, Zoom meeting. I sent you an email, your parents an email with a link to click on, and then I also will send it in text messages. Okay, this book is called It Is Spring. I'm going to get my handy dandy pointer. You know what? I'm going to use a special smiley face as my pointer today, okay? It is spring. Your turn. It is spring. It's spring. Yay! We're in a new season right now. We have 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, fall. 1 year, 4 seasons in all. We are in spring, and I love spring because it's nice outside, the weather feels great, and we can see animals and plants growing. I love spring. This is written by Cheryl Ryan. This person is the author. And the illustrator is by A. Spencer. This person drew the pictures. Oh, these are cute little baby chicks. Chicks and birds hatch in the spring. It is spring. Written by Cheryl Ryan. Illustrated by A. Spencer. Ooh, we know this word. Raise a quiet hand if you know this word. Right, this word's the. The sun pops up. Your turn. The sun pops up. We see lots of sunny days in the spring. All right, I want to see if you can read this whole sentence all by yourself. Use your strategies. Good job. The flowers pop out. Ooh, don't forget our picture power. And lips the fish. Getting your lips ready, or sound power. Okay. The worms pop up. Your turn. The worms pop up. I want you to try to read this sentence all by yourself. Miss Godfrey smiley pointer points under each word. Okay? Ready? Let's go. Nice job. The plants pop up. Wait a minute. I'm starting to see words repeating. I see the in the beginning of each sentence, and I see pops up at the end. Oh, well, this is pop out. This is pop up. This is pop up. Oh, so we're starting to see some patterns in our reading. Sometimes that happens, but don't let it trick you. All right, let's read this sentence together. Ready? The leaves pop out. Why is this word out and not up? Who knows why? Yeah, this is out because it starts with the letter O and it ends with the letter T. I hear the O sound in the beginning of out and the T sound at the end of out. Up has a U in the beginning, and a P at the end. Up. Good job. Let's see if you can read this sentence all by yourself. Don't let the words trick you. Good job. The birds pop out. I see an S at the end of this word. And I know this word's birds because I can see birds in the picture. I'm using picture power. And I see an S at the end, so that means that there's more than one bird. So I'm going to say birds and not just bird. All right, I want to see if you can read this sentence all by yourself. Wait for the pointer to point under each word. Go. Good job. The animals pop out. All right. Let's try to read this sentence together. What's this word? Yeah, it's spring. Good job. That's the word spring. That's the season that we're in. Spring pops out everywhere. Pop, pop, pop. So we're going to start to see flowers popping up, worms coming out, rabbits and other animals popping out, birds chirping. We'll see birds maybe hatching out of their eggs. Spring is a beautiful time. Okay, I hope to see you today at 3 o'clock. Have a great one. Bye.